Hey, today I'll show you how to gift a game on Steam to a friend, and that's extremely easy to do. So what you have to do, you just head to store, feature, find a game which you'd like to gift. You can also use the search bar to search for the game, but I bet you already know how to search for a game, right? So I would like to gift this game to my girlfriend. It's Doom, it's on sale, it's a great game, it has a story, and I think it fits her the best. So what you have to do once you have the game in your cart, make sure it is not selected for my account, because if you leave it like that, you'll have the game in your library, and that's not what you want. You have to select this is a gift. Once you selected that, you can press either continue shopping if you'd like adding multiple games to the cart, but I'd like to buy this one, so I'll press on continue to payment, and now we have to select the gift recipient. Let's press on it, and here you can find your friend. If you have the person who you would like to gift on your Steam friends, you'll find him in that menu. Alright, so make sure double check if that's the name of your friend account. Also, it's cool because you can leave a nice message. It's just optional, but it's cool. Alright, you can also schedule the delivery if you want, but I would like to leave the first one because they will receive it almost instantly. So I'll press on continue to payment. Now select which method of payment you'd like using. I will leave my card as it's already saved on Steam. Mark this box once you read the terms and conditions. Also the refund policies. It's cool to know that you can refund games on Steam, right? And I will have to confirm this from my bank application, and it was instant. From now on you don't have to do anything else because they'll receive a notification, but just if you are curious, I will change to her account and I will show you what they will see on their end, okay? So I'll meet you there. Alright, and I just signed in on her account, and at notifications, if you have a look at this notification bell, I can see new gift. Let's press on it, and here I can find the Doom which I gifted her, and from now on your friend can just press on accept gift, and the game will be added to their library instantly. So this was the tutorial how to gift a game on Steam to a friend. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I hope you have a great day.